guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday and happy Labor Day. What I want to do today is I want to make a Halloween t-shirt for my husband for our Dollar Tree candy taste test. I couldn't find any Halloween shirts, so I want to make some with my Cricut and Arteza vinyl. I've had this vinyl for probably a year now, and there multiple types and colors, and you get 20 sheets of the heat transfer premium vinyl. And I just picked up a Fruit of the Loom t-shirt for him at Walmart. So I hope that you stay and watch this even if you don't have a Cricut, but if you leave, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree DIY. Okay, so I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'll go to the circle with the plus for new project. And I'm going to replace what I was working on. This is going to be so cute. Last year, I made, I think it was last year, a candy taste tester shirt for myself, and I thought it was adorable. So I'm going to go over here to images on the left hand side of the screen and click on that. And I already have this up here, but if you didn't, you would just type in candy up here at this search bar, okay? And they have so many cute images. I'll link the shirt that I did last year. It was this one, Official Candy Tester, and I made it with vinyl from Arteza as well, and it is so cute, and it's held up wonderfully. But they also have this type, but I wanted to do for him something a little more masculine, and I thought this was cute. Show me the candy, okay? Because I call him the Cookie Monster, okay? So if you click on it, it puts a green box around it, and just go to the right bottom corner, insert images, and that will put it on our canvas. Now I want to make mine 8 by 8, so you can either pull right here and pull it out. I want it exactly 8 by 8. I don't know if I can pull it till exactly 8. No, so what I'm going to do is up here at the top, out from size, there's a little lock. And I want to go in here and put 8.0, and it didn't hold it, so I'm going to go back and put in 8.0 for the width and 8.0 for the height, okay? And if you want to know what this is going to look like on your shirt, you can go to templates over here on the left hand side, click on that. And the best that I've been able to find for this is, because that's a maternity shirt, is just go up here to the baseball t-shirt. And if you put this right in the center, that'll show me this template won't print out, but that's going to show me what it's going to look like, and I think it'll be fine, okay? So I have that 8 by 8. So what we're going to do, and if you look over here in the layers column, everything that's in black, show me, and the C, N, and Y is going to be in this black, and the A and the D is going to be in this. So we're going to go to make it right top corner, and it's going to put it on our mat. We'll use 2 mats, okay? And you definitely want to mirror all of this because it's heat transfer. So we're going to click mirror on, and for this one, we're going to click mirror on. You have to do it for both of them, okay? Then we're going to go to continue right bottom corner. Okay, now I have this set on custom, my Cricut on custom. For this Arteza vinyl, I'm going to browse all materials to cut this. I believe the last time I did this, I had to cut it on cardstock to get it to cut. I think I'm going to click cardstock. That'll put a little check and then put done. And for my pressure, I'm going to add more for this vinyl. Okay, so the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this adorable Halloween t-shirt using vinyl for my husband. Okay, this is the Arteza vinyl I was telling you about. It's the 20 sheet, and it's the premium heat transfer vinyl, and I love their colors. It's so vibrant, and it has all the instructions here when you're using your easy press to tell you how long and what temperature to put it on, and these are all the beautiful colors that it comes in. I just really like it. I'll link it in the description box below. You don't have to use it, and I like this because they're really long sheets and they're so vibrant, all these colors, okay? And that's what I used on my shirt last year, okay? So here's his little t-shirt that I got at Walmart. Okay, and I have my light grip mat. And what you do is you put this upside down. When you use this heat transfer vinyl, you put it upside down and you apply it right onto your mat, okay? And I'm going to be cutting some of this off because I don't want to ruin all this vinyl. Okay, then I'm just going to put it in my Cricut and hit the blinking arrow to cut, and it's going to cut this out. And then the blinking C to cut. I think I got that backwards. The arrow to insert and the blinking C to cut. I don't know where my mind is today. Maggie was in here, but she left. I think she's tired of crafting. I think she says she wants to just go play. So I'll be back just as soon as this finishes cutting. Okay, it's finished, so I'm going to eject it with the blinking arrow. And then like I said, I'm going to cut some of this. Okay, to weed this is really easy. All you do is just pull away everything that you do not want, okay? And it's going to leave it behind on this little piece of plastic. So just be real easy when you're pulling it back. And the Arteza cut wonderfully. I didn't have any problem with it at all. I just love how vibrant their colors are. I think this is going to be such an adorable shirt for him. For this candy tasting. Okay, and then I just need to weed out some of this in the center. Basically, that was it. All right. Then I'll show you what we have. Okay. Now, I probably wouldn't have had to have put more pressure because I cut through too much. So I shouldn't have put more pressure. That was bad on my part, okay? So don't use the more pressure with this. This one cut perfect. So I'll just have to place these down. But that is what we're getting. I think that's adorable, okay? But I can place these down and it won't bother anything. So I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this one out and weed it. It's the same principle. And then I'll meet you in the kitchen and we will start to apply this on the shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my this Arteza box tells you, like I said, it gives you, make sure your fabric's wrinkle free, adjust your Cricut to mirror image. It gives you all this stuff, and then it tells you to set your heat press at 300 to 320. I split the difference and set my easy press to on 315. And then it tells you for the different colors how long to hold it and whether it's a hot or warm peel. So it's very helpful. So I'm going to press mine for about 15 seconds. Okay. Okay, what I want to do first is get all the wrinkles out of the shirt. And when I bought it, I should have looked carefully, but it has a pocket on it, so I hope that does not mess us up. But I'm just going to basically iron this shirt. And also, it gets any of the moisture out. It's just really good, and even Arteza suggests, well, they don't suggest, they tell you to do that. Make sure all the wrinkles are out of your shirt. Okay, and I have a Cricut mat here, and I always put it on a cutting board. And then I also have my Easy Press on one of those mats and on a small cutting board, okay? Okay, here's this part of it. I think it's going to be so cute, and I put too much pressure, like I said, so that cut that out, but it won't be a problem at all. So just find out where you want this on your shirt, and I usually put, about 2 fingers down. I'm going to put this right on here. Then I'm just going to piece these pieces in here. That's why I said it won't be a big deal at all. But don't use more pressure. And you won't even have to deal with this, okay? All right, this goes on first. Okay. Then we're going to take this Teflon sheet and put it right down. Okay, then I'm just going to pick this up, put it right on top of here, and set it for 30 seconds. Okay, and we'll raise it straight up. Now this says this needs a warm peel. Okay, and we're just going to start peeling this off. This is so cute. Now, if you see any places that acts like it didn't adhere, then just put it back on. But I'm going to peel this off. This is working nicely. Okay, and this is what we're getting so far. I think it is so cute. But definitely don't add more pressure, okay? Okay, then all you have to do is just put this right in here where it goes. Hold it down. And then we will apply pressure for 30 more seconds, and we almost have this adorable candy Halloween t-shirt that we made with our Cricut. And if you would see this out, it would cost you so much money. So when this gets finished, I'll be right back. Well, here is my husband's candy taste test shirt for Halloween that I made with the Cricut. I think this is so pretty. It's hard to see. Now, sometimes when you make this, and I could see it in the video, there's a little piece of plastic that did not come off, and that's no big deal. You just pull it off like this, and there it is. But you can see it when I look in the camera in my phone, then I could see it was shiny. But I think this is going to be so cute for him to wear for our taste test when we do the Halloween candy from the Dollar Tree. It's so easy to make a Halloween shirt or any kind of shirt with your Cricut and vinyl. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree DIY. And I hope everyone has a wonderful Labor Day. I'm filming this on Saturday. That way I can spend Labor Day with my husband. But I really think this shirt is super cool. So until next time, bye guys.